Protecting your own property is really important. Now, whether you do it with smart locks, smart cameras, or how you do it depends on you. Now, I've installed 16 DVR cameras at my place. Yes, a 16 DVR camera setup that records everything in HD, but still I'm not confident, I'm not sure, because our appliances are smart now, even our ACs are smart, our TVs are smart, and of course we use smartphones, but our cameras are dumb. Especially the security cameras that we use, they're recording footage, but they don't send you alerts. They're not smart enough to light up when somebody walks in. They're not smart enough to move around. And for this very reason, we are ditching the dumb DVR setup and getting the Bosma EX100 Pro and EX100 cameras, the best security cameras that money can buy without burning a hole in your pocket. So what we're waiting for, let's go ahead and unbox the Bosma EX100 Pro and EX100 cameras. Now let's talk about what comes in the box for the Bosma X Pro security camera. In the box, you get the Bosma X Pro security camera, drill bit, screw 17 in number, anchors 17 in number, cable clips 15 in number, power cord which is 10 feet or 3 meter long, a power adapter, rubber water seal, quick start guide. If you talk about the dimensions of the device, it is 4.2 inches into 2.2 inches into 5.9 inches. The weight of the camera is 428 grams, but it comes with a sturdy frame, so you don't have to worry about it. It also comes with water resistance IP66 rating. Now, as it's a weatherproof camera, you can use it from -10 degrees to up to 50 degrees Celsius. You also get a 1-year limited warranty. Now let's talk about what comes in the box for the Bosma X security camera. You get the Bosma X security camera, drill bit, screw 18 in number, anchor 18 in number, Allen key, cable clips 15 in number, power cord, power adapter, quick start guide, installation sticker. And if you talk about the dimensions of the X security camera, it is 3.5 inches into 2.2 inches into 5 inches. In terms of weight, it comes at 215 grams. The operating temperature of the Bosma X security camera also remains from -10 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius. This one also comes with a 1-year limited warranty. So now that we unboxed both the Bosma X Pro and X series of devices, let's go and talk about the features of the Bosma X Pro, the flagship camera from Bosma. First of all, it comes with a 3 megapixel camera with a 156 degrees field of view. You also get facial detection. The next feature that I really liked is anti-theft protection or anti-theft alert. What it does is that if somebody is trying to take away your camera, attach the USB Type-C cable and take away the camera, it plays a really loud siren. And the person who's trying to take it away will definitely run away or get caught. The next important feature is spotlight feature. Now what it does, it uses the advanced motion detection feature and also uses the light inbuilt in the camera to throw light on the person. So example, if somebody walks in at night, the camera will throw light on it like a spotlight and you'll know where exactly the motion is happening. You'll be able to detect it, you'll get notifications, and you can also use the two-way audio feature to talk to that person or alert that person or scare away that person. Other important feature is color night mode. Now this feature is lacking in a lot of cameras, especially DVR camera setups. Color night vision, you can really see in detail what is happening, if there is any movement, and that really helps. The next important feature that I would like to talk about is the auto tracking feature. For example, if somebody is trying to move from one corner of the house to the other, the camera tracks it automatically and you don't have to worry about switching cameras. Like for a DVR camera setup, I'm always switching cameras from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 just to track somebody. In this one, you can do it automatically. The camera does it for you. You don't have to worry about it. Then again, there are a lot of problems with DVR, which is the hard drive. The hard drive goes bad. There's no cloud storage option. This one comes with cloud storage and also local storage. The other important feature is person detection. For example, if a dog is moving or if there is a car is going, you don't want alerts all the time at night. Specifically, like if you set in time zone from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m., you don't want alerts for anything other than the person being detected. So this camera makes sure that only if there is a person detected on the door or a zone that you've set, you'll get an alert. Otherwise, it'll ignore all those movements. So this camera makes sure that you're only alerted when there is a person detected. Now, for example, I get a lot of packages, and I'm sure there are a lot of packages coming your way also, especially in festive season right now. We're receiving like dozens of packages every day. This camera tells you if there's a package detected at your place. In India, we don't really worry about it because usually people ring the bell, drop it or give it to your guard. but still you have a per package detection feature. If somebody leaves a package on your door, it tells you there's a package left behind and you can go ahead and pick it up. But the most important feature of this camera is that it's weatherproof. You don't have to worry about snow, rain or anything, and be sure that this camera will protect you 24/7, 365 days. Now that we've talked about the Bosma X Pro camera features, let's talk about the Bosma X security camera. Now it's very similar in design, but because it's not the flagship camera, the features are different. In this one, you get a 1080p camera instead of a 3 megapixel camera which had a 156-degree field of view. This one has a full HD 1080p camera, though a lot of features are common like advanced motion detection, anti-theft alarm, spotlight feature, two-way audio, color light vision, cloud storage, local storage, facial recognition and person detection. All these features stay along, but you don't get features like, automatically tracking. You don't get features that are really reserved for the Pro model. But this one again is a great camera and really value for money. So now that we unboxed the cameras, what to do next? All you have to do is set up the cameras on the wall with the installation guide provided in the box. And the next thing is install the app on your Android or iOS smartphone. Once you've installed the app, all you need to do is select the cameras. Camera should be switched on. It'll detect the Wi-Fi. You pair it with the Wi-Fi, and on you go. Your home is now safer and more secure. While most camera companies would want you to spend on subscription, the Bosma cameras come with free 12-hour event-based video recording stored securely on the cloud. You can also upgrade to a 30-day plans with subscription. As you already know, the Bosma smart cameras are really smart. They also work with Alexa and also work with IFTTT. So you can set triggers and it can do according to what you have set on IFTTT. The Bosma cameras not only do good stuff but also look good, and that's the reason they have got the IF Design Award for 2021. So we've been using the Bosma X series of cameras for 2 weeks now and absolutely delighted, stress-free, tension-free, and really secure and safe at home. If you are somebody who owns a property, whether it's your studio, your office, your home, whatever it is, I think it's a great investment to make, and you should definitely think about securing your home or office with the Bosma X series of cameras. The best thing is that they don't burn a hole in your pocket. There are a lot of smart cameras available in the market, but they're really expensive. Then you have to go and get the cloud storage and spend money on the cloud storage, monthly subscription fees. This one lets you do local storage as well as cloud storage. So I think it's a great investment to make and make yourself tension-free, secure your home, and you can order them worldwide. So they deliver worldwide. So you can just go to the Bosma website, click on whatever camera you like, the X or the X Pro, and order one for yourself. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Vlog. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do let us know how do you like our new logo. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Vlog.